Want to make it ridiculously easy for people to find and follow you on X, formerly known as Twitter? Let's dive into how to grab your profile link in a flash. First things first, make sure you've got the X app open on your phone or you are logged in on a desktop. We're going to cover both methods in this tutorial. On your phone, tap on your profile icon, typically located in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the navigation menu. Now, in the navigation menu, select the option that says Profile. Tapping this will take you directly to your own profile page. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three dots icon. It's usually located near the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these dots. A menu will pop up. Look for an option that says Share or something similar like Share Profile. Tap on that. Your phone's sharing options will appear from this list. Select Copy Link. This will copy your profile URL to your clipboard. Now you can paste it anywhere. Alright, let's switch gears to desktop. Open your web browser and go to the X website and log in. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation bar. Click on the profile option there to head to your own profile. Now, simply look at the address bar at the very top of your browser. That long string of text is your profile URL. Right-click inside the address bar to highlight all the text, and then select Copy. Boom. You've got your profile link. Now, whether you're on your phone or desktop, you can paste that link anywhere you want: emails, messages, other social media platforms. And that's all there is to it. You're now a pro at sharing your X profile. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more quick and helpful tips.